Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope the Lord has blessed you guys abundantly. I am back with a new video. So I have this new one from UNICE and they're on Amazon Prime. I will leave all the information, details, and links in the info section below. Now, this wig right here, I picked up because it was super affordable, super cheap, super good quality, ready to go, pre everything. No work needs to be done. So I had my eye on it and I finally decided to pick it up. This is a 10-inch 7x5 bye-bye knots YAKI straight bob. And you guys can see it does have that pre-cut lace. You have that 7x5-inch lace. You do have the removable adjustable band, the silicone backing. You do have the ear shape cutouts that makes wearing this wig very comfortable. And I absolutely love the texture. It reminds me of like a fresh perm or like a silk press. Well, it has some nice texture to it, so it reminds me of like a relaxer, because when I silk press my hair, it'd be like super silky. Back when I was relaxed, it still had a little bit of texture to it, and that is what this wig reminds me of, and I was just here for it. But right now I am just laying up the front perimeter per usual, like I usually like to do, and then I just slick everything down, apply my edge bands, and now I'm just kind of getting a head start on styling the wig, just doing some brief flat ironing, and I did go through it with my hot comb just to get rid of the creases that may have occurred while the wig was packaged.
Feel like we drifting apart, ayy. Wasn't like this when it started, ayy. I will give you all my heart, ayy. Just gotta stay in the slums, ayy. Feel like we drifting apart. Wasn't like this when it started, ayy. I will give you all my heart, ayy. You just gotta stay in the slums, ayy. Come catch your vibe, come catch your vibe. Roll out with me. Catch your vibe, come catch your vibe. Smoke out with me.
So I let the wig just sit overnight and get nice and dry, and this is what it looks like. Now I will be using a little bit of my Eben lace tint spray just to tone down the lightness of the lace. Now this is regular transparent Swiss lace, and I do somewhat struggle with getting that to blend in with my skin tone, so I use a medium deep brown Eben spray, and it helps along with that. Went ahead and sprayed it all over the lace. Now I'm going to go ahead and get the wig on. You guys see just how quickly this wig comes together. Now when I applied my edge band along the front perimeter, I did kind of bunch up the lace just a little bit. So in case you do that on your own, just take a little bit of water, place it on the lace, then you can use some of your Got To Be Glued spray or any type of spray that you use to adhere your wig down, and just apply the edge band, making sure that the lace isn't bunched up any longer. And that is how I fix it. So now that that's just sitting and getting nice and melted down, I'm just going in with my hot comb and my flat iron just to get everything to look nice and straight. So initially I wanted to wear this wig just exactly how it comes, but later on I decided to add some baby hair. I don't know, it's just my forehead. So I'm just pulling out some baby hairs. I'm going to tweeze those down just a little bit, just to where it's not as thick. I'm going to cut them down and get those nice and laid. and this is what this wig is giving. Now, for this wig to be under $100, 91.60 to be exact, and they also have a 6% off coupon on Amazon. So if you want to save a little extra cash, be sure to check that little box to save some money. But this wig is phenomenal for a wig to be under $100. It's 100% human hair, super soft, it's pre-everything. So if you're a beginner, absolutely no work needs to be done, because I remember back in the day when Amazon had all their wigs and they were all super cheap, you had to do a whole lot of work to them. Like, you had to bleach the knots and tweeze it, and you had to style it up. With this wig right here, all of the work is finished for you. So all you really need to do is just put it on. Of course, I went above and beyond to make the wig work for myself. But if you're a beginner, this wig is definitely suitable to be worn straight out of the box, and y'all are definitely going to be pleased with this one. But once again, this wig does come from UNICE. I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below. If you guys are interested, be sure to check out this wig during Amazon Prime Day, which is coming up in a few days. You definitely don't want to miss out on that. You guys let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.